My dear children, welcome back to mathematics class. Which lesson is going on? Factorization. Chapter 7, factorization is going on. We have completed 2 exercises. I hope all the notes, all the homework completed. Children, try to complete all the work regularly. Let us move to next exercise. Here also, we have to use some other identities which you have studied in the previous lesson. I have written the identities here. I hope these identities are very familiar with you. First identity written as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we have to use these two identities in this exercise. Clear? Before going to the questions, what are the factors of a square plus 2ab plus b square? We know that it is the expansion of a plus b whole square. So what are the factors of a square plus 2ab plus b square? A plus b into a plus b. These are the factors. That means a plus b the whole square. So which are the factors? A plus b into a plus b. Similarly, what are the factors of a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b into a minus b. We have to use, we are going to factorization. So we have to use these two results here. Move to first question. Factorize 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Compare with the identities. Which identity we have to use here? First or second? Here minus sign. So which identity? Second identity. All terms are positive. First identity. One term is middle term is negative. Second identity. Before going to the identity, let us make a change. 4x square, how to write? 4 is the square of 2. 2x whole square minus 12x have changed. We will do in the next step. 9, how to write? 3 square. So first term A we have 2x and second term B we have 3. Make change here also. This will be 2ab. 2 into first term into second term. 12x will be 2 into first term into second term. That also we have to make here, change here. 2x whole square minus, this is 2ab. 2 into, what is a? 2x into, what is b? 3. Let us check whether we are getting 12x. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12x, correct. Now factorize. We know that which are the factors of a minus b into a minus b. Here what is a? 2x. What is b? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 are the factors of given expression. Is it clear, children? Here a is equal to 2x, a minus b, a minus b. What is a here? 2x. What is b here? 3. I hope it is clear for you. Let us move to question number 3. We are selecting some of the questions from the exercise. This is question number 3. 49m square, how to write? All positive. We are going to use first identity. Before that, make some changes. 49m square, how to write? 49 is the square of which number? 7. 7m square. Second term changes are there. We will do in the next step. 80. After getting a and b, we will make changes in the middle term. Plus 36m square. 36 square of which number? 6. Now we have a and b. Convert this in terms of 2 into a into b. 7m square. 84mn is 2ab. 2 into 7m into 6n. 2 into 7m into 6n. Let us check. What is 2 into 7? 14 into 6, 84. 2 into 6, 12 into 7, 84 mn. Correct. Now this is in the form of first identity. All the terms are positive. So compare with the first identity. What are the factors? A plus b into a plus b. What is a here? 7m. What is b here? 6n into 7m plus 6n. These are the two factors of the given expression. I hope it is clear for you. Direct application of these two identities. Question number 9 from exercise 7.3. 3a square plus 12a plus 12. 3 is not a square number, 12 is not a square number. So not the direct application of this identity. Positive, so maybe first identity, but not direct application because 3 not a square, 12 not a square. So we have to do some more step before applying the identity. So what is the step we have to do? 3 is common for all. Take it outside. 3 into 3a square by 3, a square. 12a by 3, 12 by 3, 4a plus 12 by 3, 4. So clearly we have to make some changes before applying the identity. Now this is in the form of first identity. This can be written as 3 into a will be the first term plus 4a, don't change now. 4 can be written as 2 square. Clear children? 3 into a square. 4a means 2 into first term into second term. 2 into first term a into second term 2 plus 2 the whole square. Is it clear? 2 into 2, 4a, correct. Now 3 into, this is in the form of first identity, a plus b into a plus b. What is a here? A itself. What is b here? 2. So these are the factors of question number 9. A plus 2 into a plus 2 are the factors of this bracket. So here's one more step is there. We have to take a common factor outside, then only we have to apply the first identity. Is it clear children? Let us move to question number 15 from the exercise. This is direct application of second identity. 9x square, how to write? 3x the whole square. Minus 3x, we have to make changes before getting a and b. Remember it? Before getting a and b, change middle term. Plus 1 by 4, how to write? 1 by 2 whole square. Now a and b is ready. This can be written in terms of a and b. 3x whole square minus 2ab. Second term is 2 into a into b. 2 into 3x into 1 by 2. Are we getting 3x? Let us check. 2 cancel. 3x correct. 2 into a into b plus 1 by 2 whole square. Compare with the identity. Second identity we have a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. Here what is a? 3x. What is b? 1 by 2 into 3x minus 1 by 2. Is it clear children? Practice well at home while doing each and every step. Clear each and every step, then do. Children, complete all the work regularly because maths daily maths class is coming, videos are coming, so you have to write all the notes regularly. Do the homework. Any doubt you can call me at any time. Children, let us do some more questions from the same exercise. Compared to previous question, these are some long questions, so we have to apply 2 identities together, sometimes 3 identities together. Application of 3 identities sometimes together. Okay, previous section actually easy. We are applying only one identity. Here, these long type questions we are applying more than one identities. Okay, so when you see a question, you should identify. If it is 3 terms only, application of one identity. More than 3 terms, application of more than one identity. That basic idea you should have while going to a question solving. Let us start, children. Question number 8 from same exercise. 7.3 is written. All the identities I have written here. I also write a square minus b square also. That means this identity also applying here. Clear, children? Question number 8. 49 minus x square minus y square plus 2xy. So, before going to the identity, we have to make some changes. So, let us study how can we make changes. 49 no change. First of all, take negative from these 3 terms. Take negative sign from these 3 terms. So, negative take outside. Minus x square minus taken out changes to x square. From minus y square, this minus taken out changes to positive y square. Here it is positive. We have taken one minus outside. So what is remaining here? Negative 2xy. I hope it is clear for you. Take negative sign out of these 3 terms. 49, it's a square, can be written as 7 square. Clear, children? Minus Just rearrange x square minus 2xy plus y square. Just rearrange. Negative 2xy in the middle. Compare with this identity. This identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is the result? A minus b the whole square. Here it is x and y. So x square minus 2xy plus y square changes to x minus y whole square. Okay, 7 square no change. This can be written as, compare with second identity. How can we write? X minus y whole square. I hope it is clear for you. Even now factorization not started. We just use this identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. So x square minus 2xy plus y square, what is it? X minus y square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. This is a, this is b. A is equal to 7, b is equal to x minus y. A square minus b square, what are factors? Now we are going to factorize. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. Here what is a? 7 minus what is b? X minus y into second factor a plus b. What is a? 7 plus what is b? X minus y. A square minus b square. What are factors? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Just open the bracket. 7 minus x minus into minus plus y into, here not change, 7 plus x minus y. These are the factors of given expression. I hope it is clear for you. We are using previous identity. Let us move to question number 10. Here also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. That means not the direct application of one identity. We have to make some changes. The same way here x, so this will be together 9x square minus 30x plus 25 first due, negative 4y square will be separated. Here we have to use the identity. We have to convert in terms of identity. 9x square, how to write? 3x the whole square. Minus 30x, we can change next step. 25, after getting a and b, we have to change middle term. First to find out a and b. 25, how to write? 5 square. Minus 4y square, no change now. There is a change, we will do next step, in the next step. Now minus 30x, how to change? 3x square, this will be 2ab, 2 into 3x into 5. 2 into 3x into 5. 3x is a, 5 is b. Now find the product. 2 into 3, 6 into 5, 30. Correct. Plus 5 square minus 4y square. Don't change now. We will change but not now. Which identity? First or second? Minus, so second. What is it? A minus b whole square. What is a here? 3x. What is b here? 5. Okay children? Clear children? Compare with this identity. No factorization. Use identity. A minus b whole square. A is equal to 3x. B is equal to 5. Middle term negative. So here negative. Clear. Minus 4y square. Now change. 4 can be written as 2 square. So this will be together 2y the whole square. Now the change is over. Compare with which identity? First identity. A square minus b square. What is a? 3x minus 5. That is a. What is b? 2y. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. Here what is a? 3x minus 5. A minus b. What is b? Minus 2y into a plus b. What is a? 3x minus 5 plus what is b2. I hope it is clear for you. So actually we are using first identity here to factorize. Question number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are the very long question. So we have to apply more than one identities. Let us change. 9 minus 12x plus 4x square will be together. X term together. All the 3 are negative. Take negative outside. So this minus 25y square changes to 25y square. Here also minus taken out plus x square. Here also minus taken out plus 10y square. Is it clear children? we have done only one thing. We have taken negative out of these three. No other change. Here, converting to our identity, 9 how to write? 3 square. Middle term, not now, next step, 12x same way. 4x square, how to write? 4 is the square of 2, 2x the whole square, minus 25y square, 25 is the square of which number? 5, so 5y square. This is the middle term, it write at second, middle term, 10y set, no change. Last term, set whole square. Now 3 square, 12x should be 2 into first term into second term. 2 into 3 into 2x. Let us check. 2 into 3 into 2x. Is it 12x? 2 into 3? 6 into 2? Correct. Plus 2x the whole square minus 5y the whole square. The same way we have to check the middle term. It should be 2 into a into b. 2 into 5y into z. Is it correct? 2 into 5y into z. 2 into 5, 10, y z, correct. Sorry children. Last term, z square. Now, this is in the form of which identity? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square? Which identity? Here minus. So, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. What is a here? 3. What is b here? 2x, the whole square. Which identity? Second identity, no factorization. Write the identity a minus b whole square. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2x. Here minus, here also minus. Minus. Which identity? Compare. First identity. What is the answer? A plus b whole square. What is a here? 5y. What is b here? Z. No factorization done. No factorization done. We just compare with the identities. Now we are moving to factorizing. So which identity we have to use? Which identity? A square minus b square. What is a? 3 minus 2x. What is b? 5y plus z. Now we are going to factorize. Using which identity? A square minus b square. What are the factors? A minus b into a plus b. What is a here? 3 minus 2x minus. What is b here? 5y plus z. Second factor a plus b. What is a here? 3 minus 2x. What is b here? 5y plus z. Is it clear children? I hope it is clear for you. Do more and more question. Then you can study yourself. Just open the bracket. 3 minus 2x minus 5y minus z. Second term no change because addition no change. If it is subtraction with two terms, sign will be changing. Addition no change. So most of the questions we have discussed now. Some of the questions I have given us homework. More questions are there, you can do yourself. Example questions are there. Exercise some more questions are there. You can do yourself. Practice yourself. Be interested in mathematics. Thank you children.